y'all! Today is Tuesday, April the 6th of 2021, and we've got some social studies to do today. What do you think we're working on? We will understand American customs and traditions. How? First, we will practice reciting the pledge to the Texas flag. Then, we will research facts about Memorial Day on Pebble Go to explain why it is important. Check out these red words with me. Repeat them, please. Memorial. Memorial Day. Have you ever heard of Memorial Day? Yes or no? Do you celebrate Memorial Day? Yes or no? Why are we studying Memorial Day today? We will understand why Memorial Day is an important holiday. Yes, it is very important. Today, your job will be to learn why, to write and draw and explain to me, why is this day so important? But first, I hope you've got your right hand and your heart ready, because we have to practice one more time the pledge, not to the United States flag today. What's this flag of? Texas! My Texas! Are you proud to live in Texas? I've got it on my water bottle today because I am so proud to live in Texas. Show me you are proud. And stand up. Push your chair back. And put your right hand on your heart. Do you feel it beating in there? Good. We're going to practice one more time this pledge. The boy goes very fast, so ears on. Ready to listen and repeat. Ready? All right, I had to slow him down. He was going a little too fast still. Now you ready? Right hands on your heart. Here we go.
The Pledge of Allegiance to the Texas state flag.
Slow mo.
Honor the Texas flag.
Here we go. Repeat. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee.
I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas.
Texas!
One state under God.
One and indivisible. Let's go do it again. Here we go.
The Pledge of Allegiance to the Texas state flag.
I'm not going to pause. Here we go. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas. One state under God. One and indivisible. Great job, my Texas citizens. Thank you for practicing that with me today. That is one of our customs and traditions of Texas, the state we live in. But now we're going to move over to Pebble Go and see what is the tradition of Memorial Day. What are the customs? How do we celebrate? We have to find why this day is important. So Pebble Go, here we go. Slide number 1. Ears on. Let's listen and learn.
Memorial Day is a time for remembering. It honors U.S. soldiers who fought and died for our country. Memorial Day is on the last Monday of May. It is a national holiday.
So much information and kind of sad too. It says this is a day for
Pebble Go.
remembering. Remembering what? U.S. soldiers who fought and died for our country. That means that they signed up to be in the Army or the Navy or the Marines or the Air Force. And they went to battle, they went to war, and they did not get to come home. They did not survive. They were hurt and they were killed. But they were protecting our country and they died trying to protect our country. So this is why we need to remember them. We need to honor them. We need to respect them. And we do that on this special day, the last Monday of May. Is it May right now? It's April. But after April comes the month of May. So when May gets here, we got to pay attention, mark it on the calendar. The last Monday in May will be Memorial Day. It's a national holiday. That means everyone in the country of the United States of America celebrates this holiday on this same day. Our caption here says, marchers carry photos of fallen U.S. soldiers. If you look closely, you can see they're wearing their uniforms. They look like different Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. And these people, maybe they knew them, or maybe they just got a picture to say, look at this guy. He's awesome. He was brave. And show him respect. Show off his picture. They might know them. They might not. But it's a good day to remember all of the soldiers who died trying to protect our country. Parades are one way you can celebrate and honor them on that day. Let's go on to history.
Americans first celebrated Memorial Day in the 1800s. Back then, it was called Decoration Day. It honored soldiers who had died in the Civil War. People put flowers on soldiers' graves.
Memorial Day has been celebrated for many years, hundreds of years. First, it was celebrated in the 1800s. Whoa! Is that the past or the future? Past, way past there. But back then it was not called Memorial Day. They called it Decoration Day. Do you know what decorations are? Like these decorations they're putting on the graves. Look closely here at this photo. It says they're putting flowers, maybe candles, maybe a wreath, maybe a letter, and they're decorating at the cemetery the grave sites of the soldiers who had died. For that reason, it was called Decoration Day.
A holiday for all. The holiday's name changed to Memorial Day in 1882. People began honoring U.S. soldiers from all wars, not just the Civil War.
We talked about that Civil War yesterday with Abraham Lincoln. Remember, he helped our country not break apart. He ended the Civil War and said, let's stay together and end slavery. So that was the first war back when we started celebrating as Decoration Day. That was the first time they started celebrating all the soldiers who had died in that Civil War. But now, there's been other wars. There's more soldiers. So in 1882, they changed the name. No more Decoration Day. It's not only for soldiers of the Civil War. Now, it's soldiers from all wars. So it's called Memorial Day. What's it called? Memorial Day. Look how pretty this gravesite is. The Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C. So this is the monument, a memorial they built in Washington, D.C. And if you look closely, you can see all the names of the soldiers. Here on these pretty stones, they've engraved the names to say thank you to all of these people who died for our country.
Freedom. Memorial Day is a sad day, but Memorial Day is also a happy day. Americans celebrate their freedom. They give thanks for living in a free country.
Why would this be a sad day if it's a celebration? What's making people sad? Look at the picture, remember? All of these people have died. That's very sad, especially if it's somebody in your family or someone that you knew, someone that was a friend to you. So it's a very sad day to remember and be a little sad for people who we have lost, people who are no longer with us. But it's also a happy day because Americans celebrate their freedom. We are free in America. We have the soldiers that protect us and keep us safe and allow us to have those freedoms. We are thankful for the soldiers protecting us, and we're thankful we live in a country where we can be free. We give thanks for our freedom.
Celebrating today.
How can we celebrate? Last slide.
U.S. flags fly at half-staff on Memorial Day. Lowering them shows respect. People put flowers or flags on soldiers' graves. Some cities have parades, picnics, or other events.
This slide teaches us on Memorial Day, flags fly at half-staff. So this is my flagpole outside the school, and this is the staff that the flag is on. On Memorial Day, we're going to lower the flag on the flagpole. We're going to lower it half-staff, so halfway down the pole. So it's not at the very top anymore. It's going to come halfway down. Lowering the flags everywhere in Elgin, everywhere in Austin, everywhere in the United States. Everyone lowers their flags. So that day when you see a flag lowered, that shows respect. Respect to who? Respect to the soldiers who have died protecting our country. Another way to celebrate is to go put those flowers or more flags on soldiers' graves, like Decoration Day. Put decorations to say thank you and show respect. Another way is to have a parade. A line of people, bands, cars, and floats. Like this boy, he's at a parade. He's waving his flag, listening to these soldiers playing their trumpets and trombones, and saying thank you to them for being brave. You can go to a parade, you can have a picnic, or any other events celebrating our country.
Holidays.
Do we have a video? Pause. Are those flags at half-staff or at the very top? They're up at the top. They're not at half-staff. So let's see what's going to happen here with all these flags. Why are there so many? How pretty. Would you like to go there on Memorial Day and stand in all of the pretty flags waving in the wind? Flags represent soldiers at a memorial. So here they put one flag for every soldier that has died in battle. Look at all those flags. That's a lot of soldiers who were brave and protected us. I don't know about you, but I am proud and happy to live in a country where I am free to come teach you every day. But I am also protected by the brave, strong men and women soldiers who take care of our country every day and make sure we are safe. Now that we have studied all the Pebble Go pages, we've also watched the video. It's time to go get started in our journal. Prepare yourself, please. You will need a journal. You will need crayons, and you will need your pencil. 1, 2, 3, come meet me on video 2, and let's get to work.